Welcome to Autofocus Review, your ultimate destination for thrilling car content. Today we have something truly special, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo. Yes, the Godzilla is back, and it's more powerful, faster and meaner than ever before. If you thought the GT-R had reached its peak, think again. Nissan has pushed the limits, and the result? A supercar killer that will leave even the biggest brands shaking in fear. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the beast that will rule the roads in 2025. A new design, aggressive yet elegant. The GT-R R38 Nismo isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution. At first glance, you'll notice the sharper, more aerodynamic body. Nissan has used carbon fiber extensively, making it lighter yet stronger. The red Nismo accents, the larger front splitter, and the redesigned LED headlights give it a futuristic yet aggressive look. A beast under the hood, mind-blowing power. Now, let's talk about what really matters. The heart of the GT-R R38 Nismo. Nissan has taken the legendary 3.8L twin-turbo V6 and given it an adrenaline boost. We're talking about over 650 horsepower and a 0-101 km/h time under 2.5 seconds. A supercar killer, performance that destroys rivals. If you think this is just another GT-R, you're mistaken. The R38 Nismo is built to compete with the best. Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferrari, you name it. Nissan has fine-tuned the suspension and aerodynamics to make sure it delivers track-level performance on everyday roads. With carbon ceramic brakes, this beast stops just as quickly as it accelerates, and the adaptive suspension ensures that, whether you're on a racetrack or cruising through city streets, the ride is perfectly balanced between comfort and aggression. Technology that redefines driving. Inside, Nissan hasn't held back. The cockpit feels like a high-tech fighter jet, a fully digital instrument cluster, an upgraded infotainment system, and a steering wheel that feels like it belongs in a race car. It's all here. The driving modes allow you to switch from comfort to track mode in a heartbeat, and the advanced launch control makes sure every race starts with a bang. Final thoughts. The ultimate GT-R. So, what do you think? The 2025 Nissan GT-R R38 Nismo is more than just a car. It's a statement, a supercar slayer and a dream machine for every car enthusiast. It's fast, it's aggressive, and it carries the soul of the GT-R legacy. Would you choose this over a Porsche 911 Turbo or a Lamborghini Huracan? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the beast from Japan, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Autofocus Review for more thrilling car content. Until next time, stay fast, stay furious.